We don't need somebody who's going to give us more of the same. We actually need a vision for a better healthcare system.
One day after Quebec Premier François Legault's resignation on Wednesday, and healthcare workers are speaking out, criticizing his track record on the province's healthcare industry. They're accusing him of mismanagement, saying that it led to overcrowded emergency rooms and exhausted staff. Meanwhile, questions still remain as to who will take the reins of the CAQ as the party prepares for a leadership race.
Our state is worse right now, regrettably. We have more patients without a family doctor. We're missing more than 2,000 family doctors.
Doctors like Michael Kalin say that the healthcare system is worse today than when Legault first took office. He points to the government's push to centralize the healthcare system, adding that it pulled power away from frontline workers in making decisions during a crisis.
What we have now is a system that is being managed from Quebec City, which is really unrealistic. Because if we have an outbreak of flu at a small institution in Côte St. Luc, instead of it being dealt with in Côte St. Luc, instead of it being dealt with in Snowden, it's now being dealt with 250 kilometers away. We saw it during COVID. People died when decisions were being deferred.
Kalin says doctors now want a leadership willing to think beyond the election cycle.
In the last quarter century, we've seen the PQ, the Liberals, the PQ, and the CAQ all fail on the healthcare file.
That frustration is echoed by the FIC Nurses Union, which represents roughly 80,000 workers who walked off the job in 2023 demanding better working conditions and pay. In a statement, the union said that for too long, Mr. Legault has tried to manage healthcare like a business, relying on administrative indicators and symbolic projects rather than concrete measures to protect patients and support staff. We hope Mr. Legault's successor will be able to make the necessary decisions to tangibly improve the public system. But things are unclear as to who that successor will be and whether a new CAQ leader can even save the party in Quebec's upcoming election. Political analyst Karim Boulo says that any candidate tied closely to Legault will face an uphill battle.
If you're part of the existing caucus, part of his inner circle, and then you take over, you can't simply say, oh, that wasn't my idea. A success for the CAQ at this point will be to stop the bleeding and elect 15, 20 individuals to at least have party status.
Among the ministers in Legault's cabinet, one name has surfaced recently, and that's Economy Minister Christine Fréchette. Speaking to reporters Thursday, she said she's still thinking about whether or not to put her hat in the ring.
I am considering the party leadership. I will be reflecting on that in the coming days.
Fréchette had previously received her first endorsement earlier this morning by Cybersecurity Minister Guy Bélanger. He also said that it would be best for her to be crowned a leader so that the party could avoid a leadership race altogether.
I will talk with colleagues, also with my family.
In Montreal, Zachary Cheung, City News.